In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a stock watch list in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets stock watch list file. Once the sheet loads, take a moment to look over the layout so you know where ticker symbols go and where the data columns will appear. This kind of watch list works best when you keep your tickers in a single column, because formulas can then reference that column consistently. Next, click into the area on the sheet that is highlighted. You will be selecting the key cells where either labels or formulas belong. As you click through the highlighted cells, stay in the same row and column structure so everything lines up cleanly. If you ever click the wrong cell, just click the correct highlighted one before typing. When you reach the cell that contains the formula, click directly on it so you can see the full text in the formula bar. The formula you are using is Google Finance, and it is set up like this: =, Google Finance A2 name. In this example, A2 is the cell that contains the ticker symbol for that row. The name attribute tells Google Sheets to return the company name for that ticker. This is a helpful starting point because it confirms that your ticker symbol is being recognized correctly. After that, continue clicking on the next highlighted cells and type in the requested entries exactly as shown in the sheet. These typed entries typically act as headers or fields for your watch list, so accuracy matters. Use consistent wording and do not add extra spaces, since that can make your sheet look uneven and can also affect any formulas that depend on matching header names. As you keep moving through each highlighted cell, repeat the same pattern. Click the highlighted cell first, then type the value that belongs there, then move on to the next highlight. Work left to right and keep your focus on staying in the highlighted areas so you do not overwrite anything that is already calculated. Once you finish the last highlighted cell, pause and scan the row and column labels to make sure everything is filled in and aligned. If your tickers are in place, the Google Finance formula should automatically pull the company name for each row that references a ticker. That covers everything you need to know.